I'm Devak Kamath. I'm the Senior Manufacturing Engineer with the Additive team. Over the past year with Orchid, I've discovered the world of EBM. Laser machines use anywhere from 2 to 4 lasers or even more, which is great for certain applications, but with medical implants that requires validation of each of these lasers. With EBM, having one single beam makes the process simpler, easier to validate, and with the power that the beam has, there's a lot more to harness. EBM offers us that flexibility, and for our specific application, the nature of the electron beam process creates parts with a slightly higher surface roughness, and this surface roughness is more desirable in comparison to laser, which makes E-beam the 3D printing technology of choice. Because of the higher temperature, you have lesser residual stresses involved with electron beam printing, and that removes the need for a whole additional process of stress relief or normalization. These structures right here are called support structures. Supports are like temporary structures. Think of like a scaffold to create a building, right? So they act as temporary heat sinks and anchors in our powder bed to print the actual implant. So they're sacrificed at the end, and we usually place them on surfaces that are anyway going to need post-machining. With electron beam melting being a hotter process, the requirement for supports is far less than laser. Electron beam use magnetic lenses to control the electrons and therefore do the same thing as an optical lens would. And because the optical lenses are controlled by galvos, they move much slower in comparison to magnetic lenses, which are just controlled through electric currents. We're using the same designs that conventional manufacturing processes use. We're trying to create the case for additive to be the better option, but the true potential of additive, especially with E-beam, gets unleashed when customers and our clients become more familiarized with the process and then design for additive, which means parts would now use lesser material, which means faster prints, which means more productivity. So all in all, EBM is robust, simple, and is the technology of choice when it comes to 3D printing and Orchid's journey in additive manufacturing for medical implants.